and welcome to HooplaKidz How To.
Hey kids, today we're going to draw and paint a family. So much love. Right, let's start with the outlines. We're going to start with Mum, her hair and her face. Maybe you could even draw your mum. Nice collar on a shirt, some hands. Let's do a skirt and her legs and feet. Brilliant. Who's next? It is the daughter with a lovely little hair bow in her hair. Happy face, rosy cheeks. She's wearing a nice dress. Frilly at the bottom. Ooh, lovely. And her brother with some cool hairdo. He's a super cool dude. T-shirt with a smiley face on and some shorts. Last but not least, we've got Dad. Nice bit of curly hair, moustache. He's wearing a smart shirt there. Short sleeves, so we've got his arms too. We're showing his arms. And a tie. Stripes on that, pocket detail, some trousers, pockets. There you go. Ready to paint. Let's start with Mummy's hair. Brown. Or what colour is your mummy's hair? Maybe it's blonde, so you could use a yellow paint. Maybe it's black. Maybe it's blue. Peach for her face. Again, you can adapt the colours to suit your family if you like. Hands as well. And legs. She's not wearing ties. Pink for the rosy cheeks. And let's do her t-shirt pink as well. Lovely. And yellow for the collar and the sleeves and the belt. Let's go for purple for the bottom half. A lovely purple skirt. Red shoes, why not? And let's do a yellow hair bow for the little girl. And some nice pink rosy cheeks. Brown hair, just like her mommy. Lovely. Now a nice peachy face, just like her mommy. Hands and legs. Let's go for green now for her dress. Ooh, what a gorgeous, vibrant colour it is. Red for the collar and cuffs and the frills. And I think gold shoes. Ooh, look at that. Now brown hair for her brother too. This is a brown-haired family. And a peachy face. Maybe you could look at your family and see what clothes they're wearing and copy those designs and colours. Maybe they're wearing a hat. Maybe they have a purse or a handbag. Have a look and see what you can figure out. Red t-shirt for him. Yellow smiley face. And some blue shorts. Let's do dark blue shoes. Yeah, time for Dad. He's going brown haired too. Squiggly, squiggly, curly, curly. Don't forget the moustache. And a lovely peachy face as well. Perfect. And the ears. Arms and hands. Rosy cheeks, of course. Green for his belt and collar. Lovely. Ooh, we're going for a nice vibrant red colour at the top of his tie. And some yellow for the stripes. A lovely royal blue colour for his shirt. Super smart, don't you think? Just going around the pocket and the tie. We can do the pocket a different colour. Make it interesting. A light blue. Now we're going for gold for his trouser pockets and zip. And why not the rest of his trousers too? What colour shall we do his shoes? Blue! What a great idea. Match his pocket. And there you have it. A gorgeous, colourful, vibrant, sparkly family full of love. How did you do? Did you enjoy making that picture? I bet you loved doing it. Oh, me too. It was so much fun. See you next time.
Hi kids, let's take a trip to Fantasyland today because we're gonna draw a unicorn. First, start with the body, the ears, and a big round eye. Amazing! Now draw the forelock and the magical horn. Yay! Let's draw a majestic mane. And a small cute nose. Now a big curve for the rest of the body. The front legs and back legs. And finally, a big fluffy tail. We did such a good job! It's time to give our masterpiece a nice, neat outline. Looking great! Keep going! Here comes the real magic. Let's color in. First comes purple, then red for the mane, orange, and some yellow too. A lovely green, a darker green too, and lastly purple. How beautiful does our unicorn look? Let's use blue for the horn. We can use pink for the hooves. Aren't you having fun, kids? Let's color the tail now. Begin with a red, then some orange, yellow, light green, and purple. Yippee! Add some finishing touches with a lovely pink. Here it is, kids, the most magical unicorn ever. Hope you had lots of fun learning. See you next time. Hey kids, look! It's our very own cute furry friend, a dog. Let's draw. Start with the face. And now the body and front legs. Easy and fun. A cute nose and the big eyes. Let's draw a yummy treat for our friend. Don't forget the ears. And of course, don't forget the tail. Finish off with a nice, neat outline. Amazing! And now we color. Let's color our dog a light brown. Hey, little friend! Let's keep going. to our body now. Aren't dogs your favorite too? They definitely are mine. Let's color his ears with a dark brown. The other one too. We're almost done. For the nose, a slightly darker brown. And the tail. Yay! All done! Isn't he the cutest little dog ever? Hi kids! Let's begin drawing our cute little cow. Begin with an oval shape for her face. Now a curvy line and 2 eyes. Yes, that was easy. Draw the pupils and color them in. Now draw curvy lines for her spots, eyebrows and her horns. And leaf shapes for her ears. Finish drawing the face with a nose and a cute little smile. Let's draw her body starting with her front legs and then her back legs. Now draw the hooves. This looks awesome! Let's finish off with some spots. Draw a cute buzzing bee who is our cow's best friend. Let's begin with the outlining. Here comes the fun part. Let's color her in. Let's use a lovely bright yellow for her face. Oh wow, she already looks amazing. Now let's color her body. Don't forget to stay within the lines. Coloring is so much fun. Let's add some orange to her ears. and to the rest of her face too. Isn't this the cutest cow ever? With a light orange color, fill in the spot. Yes, just like that. And some brown for her hooves. Lastly, a light blue color for her horns. And we're done! Here it is, kids, our very own cute little cow.